If you follow me on Google Plus, you know that I got something very interesting at the Rush Festival about a week or so ago. And for those of you who don't live in the Republic of Ireland, or in Rush at least, the Rush Festival is basically a big summer festival that just so happens to coincide with the August bank holiday. But enough economic mumbo-jumbo. Let's get to the good bit. My personal favorite food from the Rush Festival is the spiral potatoes with a hint of salt. Nice and simple. Yeah, but I also like the merchant's tent. You'll get your time. And actually, you know what? I've dragged this out for this intro out too long. What we have here is a 1/5 scale replica. 1/5 scale replica Back to the Future Part 2 Hoverboard. But you know what really makes it interesting? On the side, Back to the Future Part 2, Neon, Back to the Future Part 2. What makes it interesting? Nice Back to the Future Part 2. LootCrate exclusive? How'd something like this end up at the county fair for just £4? It's not good now. I was about to ask you guys the same question, but I don't think you'd know the answer. So, enough of my talking, let's crack this thing open. Monty Python fans, look at the next reference. Get on with it! Yes, get on with it! Yes, get on with it! Get on with it! Now you can... Oh, okay. Oh boy. Well, that's one of the things you gotta expect with buying stuff secondhand. Obviously, someone's had it for a while before me. So you can see, nice neon colors, which is what everyone in the 80s thought was gonna be the thing in 2015. It wasn't. And hoverboards looked a lot different. And occasionally they exploded a bit. I don't know. So yeah, looks pretty accurate to the one Marty rides in, Marty uses in the movie. Except of course, in order to declare legal, they removed the Mattel tampos. Well, they removed the Mattel logo. But if you look closely, and if my camera would focus, you can still see the kind of general shape. Hoverboard. Oh, and yes, this is a mirror bottom. Oh. Hello. So you can see those magnet things that cause it to hover, and that purple thing powering it, I guess. But let's go for a real bottom view. You can see nice neon graphics mixed with a fair bit of dust on the glass from my slacking off at dusting. Yes, this has earned itself a spot on my mantle. Gives it that bit of neon that I think all Irish houses should have. So anyway, yeah, if you live in Rush, or if you're an Irish YouTuber, you live in Rush, head on down to next time summer rolls around. Head on down to the Rush Festival and go into the tent with all the tables with the merchants selling their stuff. You never know what you'll find. A lot of nice stuff. Or, better yet, when the county fair is, if you're, well, anywhere in the world, if swap meet, county fair, flea market, you never know what you're gonna find. Well, I probably should have started the video by saying this, but great Scott, this is heavy. Not literally, it's actually quite light. So yeah. 1/5 scale replica hoverboard, Back to the Future Part 2, LootCrate exclusive. If you have any details that might enlighten me as to where that might enlighten me as to this sort of enigma, let me know in the comments. See ya.